Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love cheeses and there are 1,000 different variety of cheeses around the world. Today we are going to indulge in some delicious and special European cheeses, and I'm going to show you with what you can pair these cheeses with. So let's take a look at this delightful cheese platter. Emmental is a hard-pressed and cooked cheese made with cow's milk. It is smooth, dry and has straw yellow surface. Its flavor is tangy and mild and slightly salty too, with a firm texture. If you notice the numerous holes, they are called eyes, which is caused by fermentation. Emmental cheese can also be used for making grilled sandwiches. The Camembert is a soft surface ripened raw cow's milk cheese. The rind is white and soft and cheese's color is ivory to bright yellow, lightly with a chalk white heart. The taste of this cheese is salty with a sweet aroma of hot milk. The cheese tastes milky when young and a bit chalky with lengthy maturation. You should cut these cheeses like you would cut a pie into triangle-shaped portions. Make an incision from the center outward. The white rind outside the cheese is completely edible, so you can eat it. Blue cheese is mostly made of whole cow's milk. However, some of the blue cheeses are also made of ewe or goat's milk. Why is it called blue cheese and what is the blue color inside the cheese? This color comes from a kind of edible bacteria named Penicillin roqueforti, which is injected in this cheese before the curdling process. The blue cheese is a bit salty because the salt is added so that it can act as a preservative and prevent bad bacteria to develop. These cheese triangles are especially soft and creamy with a mild and natural taste. It's produced from high quality hay milk, having a very special and rich flavor without the use of any additives and preservatives. Brie is a very popular cheese and there are many varieties, but it was originally created in the Brie region close to Paris. The taste of Brie is mild and it has lighter tones of cream and butter, and it is often compared to Camembert cheese, which has deeper tones of mushrooms and herbs. Once you cut it, make sure you eat it within the next few days, otherwise you can refrigerate it until your next snacking time. The best way to enjoy this cheese is at room temperature, so they give you a nice, irresistible, creamy texture. Now that we've had a little glimpse of these wonderful European cheeses and what they can be paired with, you can make your own cheese platter with all the different accompaniments of your choice. Say cheese!